Hi, welcome to this video day, which is all about best Forex trading strategies for the MT4 trading platform. Now, it's a very popular search online, and most people, researching, MT4 trading strategies want something that's automated, okay? Something where they can just basically plug in some parameters, get automated trading signals, sit back and make money. And there's plenty of strategy and system sellers out there with MT4 plugins, which they claim can make you a lot of money. Now, do they work? The answer is no, they don't. And the reason should be pretty obvious, okay? If you look at most of these MT4 automated strategies, they're laughable. They just claim huge profits, mostly with very little drawdown or a high percentage of winning trades. One of the more conservative ones I saw recently said it could make 100% per annum. It was available to buy for $450. Well, if it could do, those gains, 100% per annum consistently, you could just sell it to a hedge fund. For not $450, you can say $450 million, because that's what a big hedge fund would pay if the gains were real, which of course they're not. They're normally hypothetical back tests, okay? And you just think about it. A hedge fund will manage billions or hundreds of billions of dollars. If you look at the performance of the top hedge funds, they're probably doing 20 to 30%. So how much would they pay for that extra 70 or 80% in profits? They're managing hundreds of billions. They're soon going to get it back, aren't they? I think, 450 million would be a good price, a fair price if it worked for them. Now, I think, if you're coming in the markets and you want to make money, you can, but forget about automated trading strategies. They simply do not work. You're not dealing with science and mathematics. You're dealing with, a chaotic market where you can make money, but you just have to focus on probabilities. So my advice for any beginner is get a very simple strategy. By all means, if you wish, use a few indicators, but make sure that you're very focused on the price action. Use the indicators as a backup. Keep it very simple. Practice. And then basically you will also build up a feel for the markets to filter the trading signals within your strategy. Okay. Now, in terms of when I say filter the trading signals, what I mean is that charts don't repeat in the same way exactly going forward as they have in the past. That's why those sort of pattern trading systems and strategies fail. The Forex markets are ever changing. They're very dynamic. You can make money with a simple rule set, but you actually have to make the judgment on the trading signals, filter them yourself. Now, that might seem intimidating for beginners, but it's something that anyone can master. And my own view is, if you get a simple strategy, you practice it, build up your feel for the markets, you can make big gains. I've seen many traders make 100% per annum doing this, okay? And I think, one of the massive advantages you have over, let's say, managed money like hedge funds and so forth, is you don't have to trade to make commission. Obviously, they have to make commissions to pay their overheads, staff, bonuses, all that sort of stuff. You don't, okay? So you can only take high probability trades. And what I would say is, if you've got a simple trading strategy, okay, focused on longer term moves, you could trade a few times a month and make 100% per annum gains. So forget about automation. See MT4 as a very useful trading platform, but do not try and automate your trading signals or strategy. Get a simple strategy, get experience with it, get confidence with it, and you can make a lot of money. Thank you very much for watching this video today. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Have a good day.